Hello everyone. Today we will learn the sound of I. The I sound of I. In. I N in. In. And it. I T it. It. Let's start with the I sound of I. In. In. Now look and listen and say the word. Pin. Pin. Let's spell the word. P I N. Pin. Pin. Bin. Bin. Let's spell the word. B I N. Bin. Bin. Tin. Tin. Let's spell the word. T I N. Tin. Tin. Fin. Fin. Let's spell the word. F I N. Fin. Fin. Great! These are the I sound of I. In. In. Let's say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Pin. Pin. Bin. Bin. Tin. Tin. Fin. Fin. Great! Let's continue with the I sound of I. It. I T it. It. Now look and listen and say the word. Sit. Sit. Let's spell the word. S I T. Sit. Sit. Hit. Hit. Let's spell the word. H I T. Hit. Hit. Pit. Pit. Let's spell the word. P I T. Pit. Pit. Great! These are the I sound of I. It. It. Let's say the word 2 times each. Start. Sit. Sit. Pit. Pit. Hit. Hit. Good job, everyone!